everyone! Welcome back dito sa ating channel. So for today's video, meron tayo ulit another skincare tips na i-share. And ito yung mga skincare products from Bioscience. And this products is suitable for sensitive skin. So kung sensitive ang skin mo, so this video is for you. If you want to know my thoughts for this product, so please keep on watching. Yes, and finally, we have another skincare products na i-feature dito sa ating channel. And alam niyo naman na aking channel is mahilig mag-maintain ng magandang skin. Isa sa na-discover kong products is this product from Bioscience. Alam niyo kung bakit? Dahil this products is formulated with natural ingredients. Lalo na kung sensitive skin ka, this products is really good for you. So first, ito yung papakita ko sa inyo guys na product nila. This is a Bio Water Sensitive pH. This is a Foamy Cleanser. This cleanser is really perfect lalo na if you have a sensitive skin, oily skin, and even here in the Philippines, this Foamy Cleanser is really good dahil we have a humid weather here. It's really hydrate your skin, renew your skin, replenish your skin. And the most important, kaya nagustuhan ko itong product na to dahil I have a very oily skin and it really helps my skin para matulungan niya ako sa aking oiliness. And at the back of the packaging, nakalagay yung kanyang direction, ingredients, and how to use. And it also produced in Malaysia. Ito yung pinaka-consistency ng product. Ayan, it's really foamy. And super mild nung kanyang scent. Hindi siya masakit sa ilong. And once you lather it to your face, sobrang lambot. And this product contains 100 grams for 399. Para sa akin guys, is sulit na siya. And the other product na i-recommend ko sa inyo, this is the Bioscience Bioenergy Complex. It's dermatologically tested and it's energizing water. Kiniklaim niya, meron siyang cooling, soothing, and moisturizing. Ito yung pinaka-itsura ng product. Meron siyang laman na 100 ml. And at the back of the packaging, meron din siya nakalagay na directions, ingredients, and also this is produced in Malaysia. Ang nagustuhan ko naman dito sa product na to dahil this is a multifunctional product. This can be used as your toner or a mist. You can use it for your face, for your body, for your hair, and even for the babies. Grabe guys, diba? Parang ito na yata yung first ever ko na narinig na pwede siyang pang baby. This is a toner or a mist for a mommy, but you can still use this for your baby. As a mommy, this is my first time na nakarinig na pwede mo siyang gamitin for the baby. It's ideal siya for skin, babies, and pre-nappy application. And what I really like this product dahil meron siya active ingredients na niacinamide. Alam niyo naman guys, lagi kong minimension dito sa aking YouTube channel, sa lahat ng mga reviews ko, if pagka merong ingredients na niacinamide sa isang product, surely but surely guys na yung product na yon is talagang maganda. Kaya gustong gusto ko tong Bioscience dahil meron siyang ingredients na niacinamide na perfect siya na pang maintain ng skin and especially para ma-maintain yung inyong healthy, glowing skin. And this energizing water, nakakatulong din siya na makontrol yung inyong oiliness and it also brighten your skin, nakaka-refine din siya ng skin, and it can firm your skin. And as a makeup enthusiast, mommy, vlogger, whatever, so lagi tayo nagmamadali. So this energizing water, all-in-one na talaga siya. And for your baby as well. So yung pag-apply naman niya, yan. So it comes with the pump. So i-spray nyo lang siya, mga 20 cm, ganyan. It's really refreshing. Ganyan yung mist niya guys. Sobrang fine na fine yung kanyang mist. Pakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano ko sila ginagamit. So, let's go to the video. Alright, so ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginagamit itong Foamy Cleanser from Bioscience. So, kuha lang kayo ng konti. Basahin ko lang yung ating face. Habang ina-apply nyo siya, guys, sa inyong face, mafe-feel nyo yung product na sobrang anlambot nyo sa face. And, ang sarap nyo sa skin kapag ka nilalather nyo na yung product sa inyong face. And the good thing, dahil yung pinaka-main ingredients ng product na to, meron siyang aloe vera extract and hyaluronic acid. Kaya perfect na perfect talaga siya para sa mga sensitive ang skin. Alright guys, so tapos na ako maghilamos after washing and using this Foamy Cleanser from Bioscience. Ito na yung ating pinaka-outcome after natin maghilamos. So as you can see guys, so nakita nyo naman, nag-brighten, nag-lighten up. O, diba? Compare kanina. Fresh. And masasabi ko talagang na-refresh, na-renew yung inyong skin. Ayan, nakikita nyo guys, wala akong anything na nilagay sa aking face. It's a bare face. And makikita nyo talaga na refresh yung inyong skin after using this product. And then, after cleansing your face using yung kanilang Foamy Cleanser, we will be using yung kanilang Energizing Water para ma-moisturize naman yung ating skin. Kasi kagaya nga rin sinabi ko kanina, this is a multifunctional product. So you can use this as your toner and as a mist at the same time. Ayan. Buksan ko lang siya. So that's all for today guys. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa ating video for today. And sana nagkaroon kayo ng tips and idea kung paano gamitin yung mga Bioscience products. So if you want to try their product guys, dahil sobrang refreshing gamitin yung mga products nila, they are also available sa mga online shop, sa Lazada, Shopee, and Watson's online, and even sa physical store ng Watson. So, itry nyo na sila guys dahil they are all recommended products, especially for the sensitive skin. So, if you like this video, please give me a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and tap the bell as well para every time na meron akong mga new skincare products na i-feature dito sa ating channel is ma-update ka. So, thank you so much guys for watching. Bye!